Okay, today's mission is snack attack. First item, tiny purple chocolate. Looks suspicious. Oh wait, this is actually yummy. Mommy, I think I need more 10 of these. Why is everyone watching me eat like I am on a cooking show? Professional baby, reviewer at work. Wait, what's this yellow thing? Big mango detected. Should I trust it? Smells interesting. Let me take one bite more. Oh, okay, mango. I see you. Chocolate was winning, but mango just entered the competition. Why choose healthy or junk when I can have both? Snack packets everywhere. Room messy, baby happy. Mom says don't play with food, but excuse me, this is art. One more mango bite for the camera please, and one chocolate for emotional support. That's final result. Chocolate is best friend, mango